Game Lab is about learning how to create a game for a client, about how to create a game that meets a client's requirements and needs. And of course, it's also about learning how to actually make the game, which is important.
Well, the first year as a first year student, I think the game lab we have very steep learning curve. Yeah, and we face a lot of problem, but the professor door is always open for us, and we can solve the problem quickly.
So the great thing about Game Lab is that we can combine all the elements that we learn from the classes, all the programming, the sound, the art, and hopefully produce a great game.
It is very important to figure out how to create the right processes, how to get the right knowledge, like programming, modeling, sound design, level design. All of these things are things that need to be in the game. As a team lead, what you have to do is manage time. You have to manage your time and your team's time properly in order to be able to produce the assets you need for the game. It's challenging. It's rewarding in the sense that you get to experience what it's actually like making games and what kind of choices you have to do leading a team or trying to work with the team and produce these assets for your games. And as a team member, you have to figure out what you personally are going to do. This can be easy if you, say, have an interest in programming and you're the only programmer on the team. But if there are 3 or 4 programmers on the team, or if there are 3 or 4 artists on the team, you're going to end up having to do something new. You have to learn how to do other things. You have to learn level design. You have to explore outside of your comfort zone. Personally, I've never done much programming before, but I've been forced to.
We each pick a role. We all play a role in the team. I specialize as a programmer, others specialize as an artist, and it's just really good to get some practical work, working on a whole semester on a big project, and just really hone in on your specialization.
It is important to be able to work together with other people and to be able to get other people to work together with you. That can be a challenge, but if everyone is on board, if everyone's willing to cooperate, you'll get a better game out of it.
It's a bit different working on the same project 2 semesters in a row than starting a new one, because you get a lot more time to polish the game. You could put a lot more work into making a better finished product. But overall, it's a really good experience.
What I've learned from Game Lab is that you should never be afraid to try something new and test things, because you don't know what you'll be good at or what you'll be interested in, and if you don't try, you won't be able to figure out if, oh, this actually works for me. So try.
The main way Game Lab could be improved, I think, is by bringing in more people from the industry, because they have a unique set of skills and knowledge, as well as experience that could be invaluable in our learning experience.
It was a really great experience working with an external client. It was really good to get a little bit of real-world experience, getting feedback from people in the industry, getting to know their needs and try to put that into a functioning game that they can use.